Today topic is passive income in foreign countries. Passive income in foreign countries. Today topic is how to earn passive income in foreign countries like America, Canada, England, UK, US. Which country do not have CFC rules? It is and passive income, make money with a second job or find investment platform. It is invest in app stocks, search online info, dome trade, search dome trade, trade online for free, trade online for free, online trading website, account dome free, freeox, how to trade stock online, in how to open a checking auto online, in real income online, in passive category income from 26 USU to 904D legal. How can I carry passive income? How I can earn passive income in foreign countries? How I can today's topic was this, and today in this video I will tell you how you can earn passive income. So let's go and find out what and the CFC rules in Europe, tax foundation, passive income ideas to help you make money in 2021. So I will open and selling information products, retail income, and flip retail products, peer leading in dividing stocks, create an app, REITs, a bond on ladder, or invest in a high yield CD or saving account, rent out your home short term, and on your car advertise on your car, create a blog or YouTube channel, rent out useful household items, sell designs online. These are some 15 passive incomes you can do it in foreign country. So how to earn 15 to 56 per hour at work at home? I have opened the website, and it is a small website, but I am going 15 in what is foreign earning income reviewing, and here as you can see, okay, I will passive foreign income investment companies, and you can also investment and earn money, a lot of money, and you can earn a lot of money by it, and make money online, passive income in foreign countries, and you can enjoy the foreign life as well. Passive category income, I will open this website. You can see it is a big website. You can also read and pause the video and read. Passive industry taxation of foreign investments, and here you can see amazing website. A child's new rule and taxation for passive income. Here you can see it is a web or PDF file, and child's new rule. Oh, sorry, I am opening this again. How to live aboard and live aboard. It is, oh, sorry. I opened Amazon. You can also work on. You can also get a passive income from Amazon. You can also get a passive income from Amazon by doing their work and helping their team. So it is also a passive income. How can I make 1,000 dollars a month in passive income. Start a YouTube channel, start a membership website, write a book, create a lead gen website in services business, and you can do many things. Today video topic was how to earn passive income in Canada.